Tired of outdated ship-from addresses causing shipping delays? Here is exactly how to delete them in under a minute. I will walk you through the exact steps from your profile to confirming deletion. No fluff, just the fix. All right, let us hop right in. So first things first, you need to start by hovering over your profile. It's that little icon in the top right corner of your eBay screen, usually with your initials or maybe a picture. Go ahead and just hover over it with your mouse. Do not click it just yet, just hover. You will see a drop-down menu appear. Now, from that drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Account Settings. This is the hub for everything behind the scenes on your eBay account. And I have been through these menus more times than I can count, so I promise you are in the right place. Give it a moment to load up your settings page. Once the settings page loads, you will see a list of options on the left-hand side. It is a pretty big list. You want to scroll down that list until you find the one that says Addresses. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where all your saved locations live. Your shipping address, your return address, all of it. And here is the part where most people get lost. You are looking at your primary shipping address, and you're thinking, why is the delete button not here? Well, that is because you need to look a little further down the page. Go ahead and scroll down past your main shipping address, past your return address, and keep going. Look for a section specifically labeled Ship From Addresses. This is kind of a hidden spot. A lot of sellers do not even realize they have multiple Ship From addresses saved, but that is how you end up shipping a package from an old location when you moved last year. So scroll down to that section. You will see a list of every location you have ever used as a sending address. Now, find the address you want to get rid of. It is probably the one that is outdated or the one that is just causing confusion. Click on it. Just a single click, you will see the address expand or get highlighted. That is how you know you have selected it. Now, pay attention to this next part. Once that address is selected, look for a small trash can icon or a button that simply says Delete. It should be right next to the address you just selected. Go ahead and click that Delete button. You might get a little pop-up or a confirmation box. eBay wants to make sure you really mean it. It will ask something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this address?" Just like that, it is gone. No more confusion, no more accidentally shipping your sold items to the wrong place. You are in control now. If you ever need to add a new address, you can always come back here. But for now, you have got your account cleaned up, and your shipping info is accurate. Thanks for hanging out with me, and good luck with your sales.